Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about applied biochemistry and applied nutrition and dietetics question paper for Bsc Nursing students. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences. Before moving on to the topic, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. This question paper was taken from Dr. YSR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Now the university name has been changed to Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences in the year January 2024. So this is second semester examination, applied biochemistry and nutrition and dietetics question paper. So part A consists of applied biochemistry, which is for 25 marks, and part B consists of nutrition and dietetics, which is for 50 marks. So first we will see part A, that is applied biochemistry for 25 marks. So here they will be giving 3 short answers and each question carries 5 marks. 3 into 5, 15 marks. Write short notes on first question. Differentiate between type 1 and type 2 diabetes mellitus, or describe the types and functions of lipoproteins. So this is internal choice questions. In one itself they have given 2 questions. Out of the 2 you have to answer 1. So all questions are internal choice only. So second question, describe the classification of enzymes or describe the principles of electrophoresis. Third question, describe the digestion, absorption and metabolism of protein or regulation of blood pH. Describe the digestion, absorption and metabolism of protein or regulation of blood pH. So next is short notes, that is the 3 questions they will be giving, no choice. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 marks. Fourth question, define proteins. Fifth question, list the sources of vitamin D. Sixth question, ELISA, that is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. I repeat, fourth question, define proteins. Fifth question, list the source of vitamin D. Sixth question, ELISA. Next is multiple choice questions. Next is multiple choice questions. 4 into 1 is equal to 4 marks. So RFT, 7th question, RFT is done to test. R means renal function test, RFT. Okay, so it is done to assess liver, pancreas, kidney and heart. So the correct answer is kidney. Next, pH of blood is 7.15 to 7.25, 7.25 to 7.35, 7.35 to 7.45 and more than 7.45. So the answer is 7.35 to 7.45. Yellowish discoloration of the mucous membrane refers to, yellowish means icterica. Okay, so yellowish discoloration of the mucous membrane is due to proteinuria, anemia, jaundice and cyanosis. So the answer is jaundice. The answer is jaundice. Next is prostate specific antigen is used to diagnose. So prostate, name itself PSA means prostate specific antigen. So it is used to diagnose cancer breast, cancer prostate, cancer trunk and cancer uterus. So the answer is cancer prostate. Next we will see applied nutrition and dietetics, which is for 50 marks. In this essay question, 1 into 10 is equal to 10 marks. So 11th question, briefly explain the nutritional problems in India or explain the different methods of cooking. I repeat, briefly explain the nutritional problems in India or explain the different methods of cooking. So out of these internal choice question, you have to answer 1. Next, write short notes on. So here they will be giving 4. In 4 questions you have internal choice. So totally they have given 8. But the 4 questions, each question internal choice only. So you have to write out of that 12 13, 14, 15, that internal choice only you have to select. Describe the role of nurses in managing childhood obesity. Describe the role of nurse in managing childhood obesity, or describe the role of nurses in managing mineral deficiencies in children. Discuss the role of nurses in managing mineral deficiencies in children. Next, 13th question. Define BMR, various factors affecting BMR. Define BMR, various factors affecting BMR. Or define weaning, explain the sources of food with its importance. Define weaning, explain the sources of food with its importance. 14th question. Describe the role of nurse in ICDS program, Integrated Child Development Scheme program. Okay, describe the role of nurse in ICDS program. Or describe the infant and young child feeding guidelines. IYCF, infant and young child feeding guidelines. 15th question. Plan a therapeutic diet for cardiovascular disease. Plan a therapeutic diet for cardiovascular disease, or describe the role of nurse in assessment and management of iron deficiency in young girls, or describe the role of nurses in assessment and management of iron deficiency in young girls. So this is with related to 5-mark questions. Then short notes or short answers. Short answers, brief answers, that is very short answers. Okay, so 2 marks. 6 into 2 is equal to 12 marks. 16th question. Define nutrition and health. 16th question. Define nutrition and health. 17th question. Differentiate between macro and micronutrients. Differentiate between macro and micronutrients. Next, differentiate between organic and inorganic food. Differentiate between organic and inorganic food. Differentiate between energy yielding and non-energy yielding food. Differentiate between energy yielding and non-energy yielding food. List the food rich in protein. 20th question. List the food rich in protein. List the food rich in proteins. 21st question. List the water soluble vitamins. List the water soluble vitamins. Next, multiple choice questions. So the richest source of vitamin D, you may have a confusion whether it is sunlight or cod liver oil. They have given options. Milk also contains some amount of vitamin D, very little amount. Egg yolk contains vitamin D, but that is also very limited. The richest natural source is sunlight. You cannot eat sunlight. Since this paper is related to nutrition, you have to think in that aspect. So richest natural source is sunlight. There is no doubt in that. But they have not asked richest natural source. They ask richest source of vitamin D, which is in cod liver oil. Next, pellagra is caused by rickets. Pellagra is caused by excess consumption of both maize and jowar. Both are correct. Okay. So, but you can go for maize. Okay. You can go for maize, but both maize and jowar is correct. But the option you can go C, that is maize, because you have to select only one. So either if you are selecting the maize or jowar, it's okay, but it's mostly maize. We used to tell that pellagra is caused due to excess of maize eaters or jowar eaters also. So you can select both options also, it's correct only. Okay. So next is neural tube defects is seen in newborn as a deficiency of folic acid. That's why in the first 3 months of pregnancy, they will start with folic acid and they will continue with the iron and folic acid tablets in the second trimester also. So the folic acid is very, very important. Otherwise, the child will develop neural tube defects. The child is more prone for neural tube defects. Example of incomplete protein is A. Gelatin, B. Wheat protein, C. Egg albumin, and fish protein. So here gelatin is the correct answer. So whatever I have given in red color tick, that is only correct answer, because this question paper is from students, so they have marked it wrongly and all. So but whatever, that's why I am telling the answers and I am marking it in red color. So the level of phosphorus in rickets it is less than 3 milligram per dl. I repeat, it is less than 3 milligram per ml. Next is Option A is correct. So 27, defective uric acid causes gout. Defective uric acid metabolism causes gout. Next is iodine deficiency causes cancer, dwarfism, goiter, dental caries. Iodine deficiency means goiter. Next is kwashiorkor deficiency is a deficiency of calcium, phosphorus, proteins, minerals. So it is proteins. Okay. So I repeat, the richest source of vitamin D is cod liver oil. Pellagra is caused by excess consumption of maize or jowar. Neural tube defects is seen in newborn as a deficiency of folic acid. Example of incomplete protein is gelatin. The level of phosphorus in rickets is less than 3 mg per deciliter. Defective uric acid causes gout. Iodine deficiency causes goiter. Kwashiorkor is a deficiency of proteins. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box, suggested end card and iCards, or you can watch our channel playlist for more nursing related videos as well as videos related to intermediate subjects. Thank you friends. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel.